Today we're going to Jenkinson's Aquarium. It's in Point Pleasant. It's on a boardwalk. And it should be fun. We've been there before. And first we got to stop and get our oil changed. So it's about a 2-hour drive for us. And of course today any of that, but it's pouring and it's super windy outside, so it should be lots of fun, but luckily it's inside. So talk to you when we get there. Bye. Well, we're here at the aquarium. Well, we're almost at the aquarium. Still raining. Nobody here. It's a cute penguin. Oh, these are my favorite. Look at the jellyfish. The touch tank is closed. A couple stingrays. Hi. I forgot to make a video when we got home last night. We didn't get home till late. We stopped at the at my mother-in-law's house, and it's a few hours away. So by the time we got home, it was late, and I forgot. Sorry. We had a really good time at the aquarium, even though the day was dreary, rainy, and cold, and we were wet. We spent quite a few hours there. There's a lot to look at. It's a very small aquarium, but they have a bunch of different things. They don't have just fish. They have penguins, they have seals, they have the upstairs has a whole bunch of all different kind of animals. They have snakes and turtles and frogs and some birds. There's some monkeys, I think. There's all kind of things there. So it's a nice time. It's not just, a big aquarium with fish in it. They have tons of stuff to look at. So we took lots of video, and my hubby took some pictures, and hopefully I'll be able to get a video together for you today. And it's just going to be a part one, because I don't want to make them too long, because I took a lot of video. So if you like these videos, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in part two. Part two is going to be the Shark Tank. It's everybody's favorite. See you then. Bye.